Hello, friends. It's cafecito time, and today I have a copycat recipe for you on how to make one of my favorite all-time coffee drinks from Starbucks, Caramel Macchiato. My version here at home. Hello, friends. It's cafecito time, and today I have a quick copycat coffee recipe for you. I have been obsessed with Starbucks for years. I love Starbucks. I would go to Starbucks. I would shop Starbucks all the time. And one of my favorite drinks from Starbucks has always been a caramel macchiato. They're just so delicious. But since this crazy pandemic virus thing hit, I have not been to Starbucks. And honestly, now that I have the Nespresso machine, I don't even really want to go to Starbucks because I've been able to recreate some of my favorite Starbucks coffees at home. Mind you, they're not exactly the same, so I'm not trying to tell you that it's going to be 100% exactly the same as Starbucks, but pretty close and equally as delicious. So today, I just want to show you how to make a caramel macchiato at home. So let's start with our ingredients. First of all, you're going to need some milk of your choice. I believe Starbucks mainly uses 2% non-fat, and they also have non-dairy alternatives. I'm using just 1% milk today. You will need a vanilla syrup. I was able to purchase the Starbucks vanilla syrup at home from online to use at home, and I got the sugar-free just because, I like to cut down a little bit on the carbs and the calories. So vanilla syrup, and you will also need some caramel sauce. And it actually blew my mind when I looked up the recipe for the caramel macchiato that they use vanilla syrup with the caramel sauce. Blew my mind. Had no idea. I all this time thought it was caramel flavoring, but it's not. Anyways, you need your milk. This is 1 cup of milk of choice. We're going to need about 1 tablespoon or 2 of the syrup and then drizzle of caramel sauce. And you will also need to make a shot of espresso. So we're going to start off with frothing our milk in my lovely little frother here that I have a video, so I hope you guys watch it. I'll leave the link. So let's get that ready. So here we go. Just press the button. The milk will froth. And while the milk is frothing, let's get our cup ready. So to make the macchiato, you need to pour some of the vanilla syrup first in your cup. So 1 or 2 tablespoons, your choice. I believe the pumps they have there are about 1 tablespoon per pump. So I'm going to do 2 because I like a little extra flavor. There we go. So while our milk is finishing to froth, I'm going to make my shot of espresso. I have a special little cup here that I use for my shots, and I'm going to be using one of these capsules from Nespresso called Altiso. It's kind of a darker intensity, which I like. Pop that in there. And it's ready to brew. And my caramel is running kind of low, so I'm going to stand it up so I could get the best drizzle on there. And I'm using the Ghirardelli brand of caramel sauce, which you could buy at your local grocery store. And I believe the syrups also you can buy at, not all the flavors, but some at your local grocery stores. Or you could order it online. And I'll leave the links to where I've been ordering some of this stuff. So my milk is ready. It's all nice and foamy. So I'm going to pour it into my glass with the vanilla. And some of that nice foam. Use my spoon to get out some of that foam. Sorry for all the scraping. I don't want to go to waste. So my shot of espresso is ready. So all you have to do is syrup, milk, and then pour your shot of espresso right through the middle. And now we drizzle. And you can be as fancy as you want with your drizzle. Voila, copycat Starbucks Caramel Macchiato. It smells so